Good day, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you are a remote worker or an online entrepreneur, you already know that the right tools can make or break your productivity. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 online remote working tools that can help you stay productive and keep your online life safe. So let's get into it. Okay, before we get into these powerful tools, I would like to hit that subscribe button because these tools are going to be a game changer in your online life or your remote working experience. The number one tool on my list is Notion. Notion is my personal workspace for everything. I use it to plan my content, manage projects, and even track my goals. So if you are working solo or working as a team, Notion keeps you organized in one clean space. Now, here is something I'll tell you guys. Many people would say they don't know how to use the platform or navigate it. You can learn this on YouTube. Every tool I'll be mentioning here can be learned in a couple of hours or over the weekend. So you need to learn these tools and know how to use them to kind of enhance your productivity. Number two on my list is Trello. Trello is perfect for managing tasks visually. It's like a digital board where you can drag and drop your to-dos. If you love seeing your progress at a glance, then Trello would be a game changer for you. Now, most remote working jobs would require you to have knowledge of using the platform. Yeah. So it's a good tool to learn how to use because it will keep you productive, and yeah, it's a game changer for me. Now, before I move forward to the next tool, let's take a quick shout out to our sponsor for today, which is GoLogin. Now, if you have been managing multiple accounts online, whether for e-commerce, freelancing, or client work, then you've probably faced issues of getting flagged. Yeah, GoLogin solves that issue. GoLogin is an anti-detect browser that lets you create separate browser profiles, each with its own digital identity, so you can log into multiple accounts safely from one device. No more bans or no more tracking. Now, I've been testing it out and it is super easy to use. You can grab a free GoLogin Pro trial and even get 2 gig of residential proxies using my special link, which will be in the description below. Once again, huge thanks to GoLogin for supporting this video. So let me take you on a quick guide on how to navigate the GoLogin platform. After registering on the GoLogin platform, click on the plus sign and create a profile. Add a proxy to the profile and you can connect to any country of your choice and click on Run. With this, you can create separate browser profile. Each profile stores its own cookies, settings, and browser fingerprints, so you can keep accounts organized and isolated. You can register for free and later upgrade to the Pro version. Now, let's move on to the next one. Number 4 on my list is Slack. If you collaborate with others, Slack keeps communication quick and organized. Yeah, no messy email threads, just smooth real-time conversation with your team. It's like WhatsApp but for remote workers and online entrepreneurs. And to the last one, Google Drive. Of course, it's the Google Drive. It's still one of the best for storing files, sharing documents, and collaborating live. The ability to access your work from anywhere is what makes remote life possible. And I know you will not be expecting this like a bonus, but I expect everybody working online or all remote workers to use this, and that's Google Doc. Yeah, it's also one of the best. Like, you have your documents, your sheets, and every other thing you need to make your remote life easier. Okay, these are 5 powerful tools that can completely level up your remote work setup. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which tool you use the most. And if you'll be trying GoLogin after this, let me know. I've got something special for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.